Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. So I'm coming today with a new video to talk about when you feel depressed, you need to check with yourself and see what is not right in your life right now. So for me, when people are depressed, I'm talking about I would say the light one, not the medical one where you need to see a professional. I am not a professional. I'm just somebody who likes personal development, and I'm here to help however I can. I'm talking about I would say the light one, because many people, when they are sad, they tend to use the word "I'm depressed." So that's the one I'm talking about. And for me, it's a crisis of identity. It's your soul that is trying to say something to you. Your soul is saying that you're going to the wrong direction, and is trying to call you back on track, tell you that you should stop and step back and see if everything is working for you the way you would like to. In my life, I had two major crises, and they led me to really question everything. And for me, life had no meaning, nothing. I couldn't see the future. I couldn't have a compelling vision. Yeah, it was just like, what's the point, you know? And what those two major crises had in common is that I felt lost. I wasn't in charge of my life. I gave the wheel of my life to randomness, and it usually happened after something shook me up. So I remember one of those was when I was at university, and I heard one of my teachers saying something about retirement, and it felt like my life was controlled by somebody else who was treating me like a number, saying that, you're gonna die at that age, so we should other people should be able to give you social security by contributing, $20 a month or something like that. That's just an example. So yes, so that was one of the major crises, and that was the trigger for me at that time. So because I didn't want to have my life controlled by anybody, even if it's a country that is trying to manage their pension plan or social security plan. I didn't want that. So it made me question everything. For me, sadness delivers a message. It's like you have lost your way, you need to realign. So if you have been in this situation, or if you are in this situation, you need to ask yourself, am I living the way I would like to be? Am I following what my heart is telling me to do? If it's not, please don't try to ignore your soul talking to you. Just listen, do your best to change things. You don't have to change everything the same day, but do it step by step, because the longer you will live not being aligned with your soul, the longer you will be depressed or sad. So change it. And it's usually a lack of congruency when you're not doing things that are true to yourself. When you are, for example, working in a job that is taking advantage of people or stealing people, but in a legal way, and you don't like it. So ask yourself, am I doing the right job? Am I doing what I'm supposed to do? Am I dating the right person? Am I in the right relationship? Am I happy with my family? Am I happy with my friends? Things like that. And Sadness is something that is normal because we cannot be happy all the time. So we shouldn't pretend to be happy all the time. When we are sad, we should stop and take the time to heal, to take the time to ask ourselves what's going on, to understand why we are sad. So that's okay to be sad from time to time, but when you are sad all the time, something is really wrong. So just, if you can, see a professional so they can help you to get back to where you are supposed to be. And I don't really know what that really means. I mean, like, they will help you to be congruent in your life, to live your life in a way that is true to yourself. When you feel depressed, look for the message. Ask yourself, what is my soul trying to tell me? What am I doing that it's not congruent with me? What action am I taking that I would normally not do if I was aware? And when you finish asking this question, then take the action to correct what is wrong. Take the action to change what is wrong. Take the action to change what you don't like, what your soul doesn't like. And you have the power to change that. Today can be a depressing day, but tomorrow you can change it. So it all depends on you. Just do what you need to do and be brave, be courageous to face the reality, to face what is going on. Don't try to hide the truth. Look right in front of it and face your fear and jump and do what you have to do. That's it. It's not easy. I'm not going to say that. And yeah, when I had my crisis, I had my friends helping me to get out of it. So I believe you need a community. You need to talk to the right people. They will help you. They will guide you. They will give you some advice that can be very helpful, especially older people who know more about life than you know. You have what it takes to do it. So that was the subject for today. I hope you have learned something from it. I hope it was helpful for some of you. So in the meantime, please subscribe and like and share it with friends if you can, if you think it can be helpful. And see you the next time. And by the way, if you have questions, if you have suggestions, if you want to share something about your life, please write everything below and I will be more than happy to read and reach out. Thank you and see you next time.